Global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happiness today. It looks like Governor David Umahi may have a very Herculean task, very big task of ensuring that his seat as the sitting governor of Ebonyi State is not removed totally from him. As it looks like in a video, a viral video, going to watch in a moment, short clip actually, going to watch in a moment, where elder statesmen, PDP stalwarts, and all that were calling him out. In fact, they called him a name that is almost strange in my ears. They called him a woman man in a powerful seat. They called him all sorts. In fact, they have gotten their candidate ready, set to mount that seat. In fact, they have a special warning and a message to him. Watch the video and hear when they called Governor David Umahi on what to do and what their member, who is now who have been declared by PDP as the sitting governor. I don't know if we have two sitting governors right now. I guess the court will have to look into this matter very speedily, and INEC needs to, wage in before it becomes something different, more deadly than what we are seeing right now. Right now, it's verbal words. I just hope that it doesn't get to a level where members will begin to come against one another. Watch the video together with me. Let's meet in our comment section. What's the take on what they are calling Governor David Umahi? This is serious. Watch the video, please.
I hope and pray that our new governor in Ebonyi will be sworn in. Governor Igerewe is an honorable member of the House of Reps who have chosen to replace that man, that former governor Umahi. Former governor Umahi is gone. He's not coming back. Do not be deceived. And all those who went away with our mandate, we will go after each one of them. We will go after Ayade. We will go after the one in Zamfara. We shall take back our stolen property. Nobody votes for an individual.